This red bag, which contains your securement bolts for your backrest. This will secure your backrest to the base, so that this way you don't have any chance of the backrest ever coming loose and falling off. So it's just peace of mind and added safety. So in the bag, you'll have 2 bolts, 2 washers, and a 4mm Allen wrench to help actually put the bolts in and secure them. Now, the reason I'm doing this is so that it's easier for me. I don't have to be hunched over trying to reach in and actually put the securement bolts in. And the next thing you want to do is actually take your power lumbar and you want to push it all the way out. This is going to give you maximum clearance on the inside so that you have the room to put your securement bolts in and there's no interference. Drape it over the top of the backrest, giving me wide access. There's Velcroed black denim here. I'm going to want to just pull that open. That'll give me access right to the hole that I'm going to put the backrest securement bolts through. And just in case you're not sure what to do or where they belong or what's in the kit, you have technical instructions that will actually show you what's contained in the kit, in the red bag, your 2 bolts, washers, and Allen wrench. Tells you to put the back on with the KD clips, and then your securement bolts go through those 2 holes. There's a hole on each side. You have one on your left side and you have one on your right side. So you take your bolt, put your washer on, and then start your bolt. Once I get them so far, I know they're not cross-threaded, which will make it easier when putting these on. Whether you want to utilize your 4mm Allen wrench that is supplied by us, or what type of tools you have available to yourself. They do make attachments for your impact gun. Have a 4mm Allen head on a socket. There's just enough clearance to get it in there. That's why I had you take the power lumbar and open it all the way up so that I did have the room. You want your securement bolts to actually be tight against the backrest, so you just want to make sure and then snug them on each side. Now you're ready to just start buttoning it back up. So just take your denim flap and secure it with the Velcro up the top. Tuck your harnesses in.